are negative, you will avoid, like who are not interested, who something. Like if the data is a proper systematic way, you can write a query and you can get the result, like a polling, like yes, like, dislike, like, dislike. It will store in some database. From there you will pick who, how many likes, how many dislikes. In the same way, the data is available everywhere now after this internet and everything. Now recently database is updating daily. TBs of data is updating into internet. Okay, if you in the form of tweets, okay, WhatsApp messages, Google mails, okay, Twitters, lot of information is available which is useful for business also. Okay, suppose you are posting about some product like iPhone, otherwise some product, some beauty product, they are keeping in their Facebook page. There are a lot of comments will come, like you are releasing on mobile, okay, S8 or S25 something, some mobile you got released. So there are so many comments in that page, like good, some positive comments and negative comments. Some people will write the performance is very good and the battery charge is very bad. Okay, some it is a worst mobile, something. So there is a positive feedback is there, negative feedback is there, positive sentiment and negative. But seeing that tweets, seeing that comments, can you analyze how many people said worst? Or like and unlike, dislike, you can count like this many like. But based upon severity, like how many people. 1 minute. Here there are lot of information like severity, which is positive, which is negative, like strong positive, strong negative sentiments you have to analyze. These are all can be done with the text analysis. Text analysis is it is one of the SQL concepts. Okay, so data like increasing volume, velocity, this all. Sometimes some tweets will be there, some YouTube videos are there. This is all you have to analyze. If you talk about big data based on this concept only. Big data also just analyzing the moving data. Suppose some tweet, some YouTube videos are there, some streamings are there. That data also it will analyze. So predictive analysis set, this all comes under this concept. So text analysis means converting the unstructured data to structured information. Then we will do process, like we will do analysis the data, and we can use for the decision making. So suppose after releasing your mobile, like lot of people, 90% of people are saying your mobile is worst and battery backup. So you can do some decision. So you can do some R&D, what is the drawback and everything. So that is very much useful. So whatever information is we are having in the unstructured format, it may be very useful for your business. Okay, so how can you use that? What is the key challenges? Okay, what do your customer really think about your brands, product, services? Okay, how your customer is respond to your last marketing campaign? What are the primary reasons for failure? Okay, what are the key issues in the new product? Okay, what are the serious side effects on the my drugs, like whatever you released? So what are the engineering document, in entire document you have to analyze? Okay, lot of data is available, useful for social media. Like if you talk about precision marketing, like you are searching for New Jersey to New York, some flights you are searching for Dallas to New York, some flights you are searching. So at the same time, after that, next time onwards, whenever you are going Google or something, in side panel it will come lowest flight rates from here to there. And if you are searching for any product like some cosmetics or anything, again it is proposing some there are low sales or something. This is all based upon your text analysis. Okay. What is the HANA? How HANA is useful? HANA is text analysis, text search, predictive analysis, everything. All the data, structured and unstructured data. All the data will be converted to structured to unstructured, unstructured to structured data, and we can do analysis. Okay. So we'll discuss this in detail. How to create text analysis. These are now used. Let me give one more PPT. Why is the text analysis? Same, massive amount of data. Companies are struggling to search on unstructured data. How can they convert unstructured data to structured information? That is the main strategy here. Okay, this type of analysis used in law, intelligence, like FBI. They will analyze lot of mails and everything. They will analyze. So blindly, if they analyze mails, there is no use. There are some special techniques are there, and social media marketing, precision marketing, predictive maintenance. So predictive maintenance means in companies, last 10 years data, maintenance data, if you analyze, okay, every year, every 6 months, some breakdown is happening. So before 6 months, after 5 months, you have to do some precautions. You have to do maintenance, predictive maintenance, something. If you analyze that is the advantage of analytical. So by analyzing, you can do prediction. Okay, last 10 years it is like weather also same. Last 10 years it is happening in this way. So next it is a expectation. Investment. investment also very share price. Okay, last year this time because of monsoon, this share is increased. So this year also this may happen. Okay, some sentiment, based on this sentiment it will happen. Everywhere this analysis is useful. Okay, context mark. Just I spoken about this, right? Whenever you open your website, any your browser, you can able to see some recommendation. Suppose if you are searching for leggings or jackets, every time it will propose. Okay, this is low cost. Okay, some discounts. Okay, text analysis. Text analysis concept is powered by HANA. Actually, in '97, Xerox introduced some text engines, and 2007 that is acquired by Business Object. Business Object is SAP acquisition on 2008. Like it is a BobJ is by SAP. Okay, 2012 it is integrated with HANA. Now text analysis is fully available in SAP HANA. Okay, it is a R&D in Boston, SAP Labs. Okay. Text analysis benefits. So this text analysis means, see, whatever data is there, from the data you can extract and you can display. Okay, we can extract the information and we can display. It's like there are two things, entities and facts. Entities means organization, person, city. These are all comes under entity. Facts means like, dislike, love, hate. These are all comes under facts. Okay. So such text analysis is supporting for so many languages, almost 30 plus languages. Okay, so text analysis. Okay. Now fact text. See, entities. Entities like John, Beetle. It is a brand. Okay, one of the band. Okay. Facts is love is a fact. Like text, it is like who, entities. Entities like who, what, where, how much. These are all entities. Facts is like sentiments, like positive sentiment, negative sentiment, positive, strong positive sentiment, like quotations, like smiley, hate symbol. These are all sentiments. Okay, so these are all I'm going to discuss text analysis. So let me show one demo. We are in HANA Studio. in modeling perspective. Open SQL console. See, I'm creating one table and adding some data. If you see catalog Tiki. Okay, there is one table. Just I am creating one table. Table got created successfully. Text. I am setting some data. Data got inserted. You see here. Open data preview. Data is available. See, what is this data having? David likes work at SAP. John does not like works at SAP. So by seeing this, can you? Is it useful for programming? No, it is not a structured way. You cannot understand. Is it positive or negative? So it is just statement. How can I convert statement into structured information? So there is a Srini, Gita, are you following me?
Yes, Venkat.
If you have any queries, just keep it. So, this syntax you have to remember. Like just I don't want to waste time, so just copy paste. But you have to remember this syntax. See, I am creating one syntax, like one index. Okay, here if you see, there is no index available. Here there is no index. I'm creating one index. Okay, with the text TE index 1. Okay, on the table field. The table field is string is one field. So on the table, this is a table string. String is the one field. In table field, I am creating the text analysis. There are some configurations are available. Okay, so if you see voice of customer, text extraction core. Okay, I'll show you that. I'll share you this are all. Okay. So here, see extraction core of customer. This is one of the configuration. Okay, these type of configurations are like sentiment. I am happy, weak positive. I am not happy, weak negative. I am tremendously happy, strong positive. I am not weak negative. Okay, I am not tremendously happy with my person, weak negative. Strong, weak, something like it. Okay. See, voice of customer. There are different things are there. I'll share you this all. So sentiments, problems, this one, actions. See. Now let me come there. This is one of the, say, if I do here, one table will be created. One table is going to create a TA table. So I am doing this. After that, if I refresh, see, index got created. Okay, if I see the table, one table get create. TA index table. Okay, if you see this table have one particular structure, rule, counter, token, which language you are using, stem. These are all fields in the table. This is a standard structure. Okay, index table will be created. In this index table, we'll have data. We done core extraction. Core extraction means entities will be extracted. Only I am extracting entities. System already know SAP as a organization or company. David as a person. John as a person. So this all data is feeded. So that's why SAP supporting languages. These are all feeded into the text engines. Understanding? Based on that feed, these are all working. Clear?
So it was predefined, like even if you type to Srini also, it will take as a name or person.
Like it depends. Like see, we'll add like in text engine that type of data is feeded or not. Okay. If it is feeded, see, I'll take same.
You type and Gita also, so that it will take on the same string. It will create two entries or single entry rules.
No, it will create like it will take as a single entity, right? Like name, like.
Okay. No. In the same, okay, with single text you are saying for one related to one person only, and I'm asking Srinivas and Geeta likes working at again what it will.
So this is just I'm inserting. So I'll give number 2. Index is unique. Integer ID is unique. So I'll insert. So if you insert, automatically this got refreshed. So no need to do anything. Just if I refresh, whereas if I open this table and if I go execute again, see, yeah, it's got identified. 2 persons. IBM is organization.
Okay.
Good. And if I give ABC, what will happen? ABC, not ABC. I'll give CTS. See, we should not test system. System should test us. Okay, system more intelligent than us. Okay, system is identifying. Like what I thought is based upon left and right. It is based upon grammar. Is it taking, not on grammar? Like I given iPhone, but it is taken as how it is feeding. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now there is one more different configuration. Based on configuration, entire extraction will change. Okay, so
And what this text analysis on off last statement?
text analysis on means it will available. Like see, I'll tell. This is syntax, like text analysis, the syntax you have to follow. This is the configuration. Just you can change the configuration whenever you require. Just what I do is it got deleted. Okay. Now I'm changing with the linguistic basic. Language specific, like noun, pronoun, everything it will analyze. If you see this table, based upon this, see now it is language, like David likes, pronoun, like these are language. Okay, one more linguistic full is there. See, language full means proper name, particle, verb, entire grammar it will tell. Clear? Entire grammar it will tell. And there is concept voice of customer. Okay, there is a voice of customer concept is there. There is this. Instruction core voice of customer. If you don't have any queries, please mute. You are getting echo. Yeah, thank you. Instruction core voice of customer. See, extraction core voice of customer. See, David person, topic. It may be topic also. Like likes is weak positive sentiment. Okay, likes weak was to, does not like, right? So that is weak negative. Does not like is weak negative sentiment. So it is like smiles, smiley also it will recognize. Here. See, smiley also it is taking weak positive emotion. Okay, you double smiley if you give strong positive emotion. Strong positive emotion. Okay. So, like based upon your words and symbols, everything it will analyze. Clear? So I'll share you this documentation. This all PPTs at text files. Just go through and you do R&D. Okay? Clear? Geeta, are you clear? Okay, good. Okay.
Yes, sir. And what about Irfan and Mounika's another batch?
Actually, Irfan actually he sent mail, he is in client place. He could not attend. I don't know. Let us talk with this Deki people. Maybe they are joining in other. Okay. Okay, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll discuss one more important topic. Okay. Have a nice
day. Weekend. This weekend, please try to arrange for that OOPS concept.
Yeah.
Course where we are.
Yeah. Then. No.